So guys, today I decided to clean the fridge both down and up. Yeah. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chat with Resty. This is your girl Resty, live from Saudi Arabia. And guys, today I decided to clean this fridge, the whole fridge, both the freezer and the fridge, the down one, which is the one which is cool the things, So this fridge is so dirty, guys. It is really dirty, as you can see. So today I decided to clean, to be very and to be very, like, how can I call it? To be very, is it neat, smart? No, but it is not smart, guys. English is not my Englishing. So today I decided to clean it, to deep clean it. Seriously, as you can see, the fridge is really dirty. I decided to remove all the things, to remove all the glasses, to scrub it, So I really want to follow me on this step of cleaning so that you can see how I clean it. Yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for each and every support of you. I can't take it for granted. Yeah. So let's continue and see how it goes. Another thing, guys, you may think why it is somehow dark. So whenever I deep clean this fridge, I decide to switch all the electricity, omuganda agamba okwerinda sibuti. So I decided to switch the electricity and then I clean it very well when I'm contented. But first of all, when I remove all the things, I have to bring it in the sink and I wash. Why I first wash this? Because I want, when I scrub the fridge inside, such that even these ones can be dry faster. So that's how I do it, to make things easier and faster. So yeah, let's continue watching. So my family, so we all know that whenever you wash the fridge or you clean the fridge, we all know that you can't pour it water, So for me, I first scrub all the fridge and then I bring the dry towel and then I wipe. You understand? such that I don't pour it the water as if I'm washing the clothes. So guys, that is it. That's me scrubbing cleaning the fridge. Yeah, so what I put in water, it is just sabon and a little bit of Clorox, yeah, such that the fridge can be easier to, it can be what to whiten, you know, okutukula amangu, just not be there, waste that time scrubbing. But when I put that small Clorox, things get easier. So guys, as you can see, I'm now done cleaning my fridge. Now it is neat. Everything now is okay. Yeah, so I'm done to clean it. Then the next step is to bring all the things and I put it inside and I start arranging. So let's tour our fridge after cleaning. It's now time to put it back, the necessary things. It is not such much, but I have to arrange it, everything to be in order, you know. Where I put vegetables, I put vegetables. Where I put milk, egg, as you can see as I'm arranging. So guys, from the beginning of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Thank you for the support always, guys. I'm so humbled. Yeah, I love you so much. As we continue this video, personally, I'm going to say bye-bye, but we are still watching until the end. Thank you so much. Please continue to subscribe, like, comment. You are the best, such that whenever I upload the video, you will be getting a notification bell, and you'll be among those people to watch first. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy until the end.